Movement. Movement is life. Welcome back to my channel Learn Science with Yasir Azam. My dear student, this video is going to be for class 7 and I am going to continue the chapter Time, Motion and Speed, of which the first part in which I have discussed about time is uploaded. Today we will be starting with motion. Now student, since childhood we are listening this word motion, motion, motion. Don't think for the loose motion, I am talking about simple motion. What is motion? Motion is movement. किसी भी तरह के movement को motion कह देते हैं. Like I am moving my hand. It's also a kind of motion. Motion के बहुत सारे types you will read in higher classes like oscillatory motion, periodic events. सारे events में बहुत types of motion use होते हैं. Rectilinear motion. But for today, what basically we need to understand that motion is change of the position with respect to time. समय के साथ किसी भी चीज की position change हो जाना from a reference point. कैसे हम जानेंगे? Suppose I am standing here. Right now I am here and afterwards I am here. So I have shown a motion. I have shown a movement and that movement to you it's a motion. How did you came to know that I have shown a motion? I have shown a motion by taking a reference point. Might be you can take this socket as a reference point. I was near to it. After some time I am far from it. After some time I am much farther from it. It shows that I have shown the difference in the position. I have moved from one place to another. This is called motion. So what motion basically is, it is the objects change their position with time with reference to reference point, with respect to या with relation to reference point. Reference point हम उसको मानते हैं जहाँ से हम देख रहे हो, जहाँ से हमारा नजरिया हो. Motion basically बेटा perception की बात है. For example, if you go to a park, you see somebody sitting on a table or on a chair. What you will see, they are at stationary, they are at rest, they are not moving. But think for the astronaut who is sitting, who is seeing it from moon, for that person the earth is moving, definitely that person will also be moving. तो दो अलग अलग perceptions हो गए. एक perception आपका है who is standing in front of that person, एक perception उसका who is an astronaut. Okay, so the motion depends upon the perception. In short, अगर हम बोले तो everything is moving in the world. Even though if you find something stationary, then that also within them there is movement. For example, if you take this wall is stationary, this board is stationary, but they all are made up of atoms. I have told you in previous classes that atom is the smallest entity of any substance, any object, that also consists of subatomic particles like electron, proton and neutrons, and which the electron keeps on moving. Ultimately it is also showing motion. That is a different thing that we are not able to find it out. We are not able to see it through our naked eyes. But motion is life. मोशन की बात जब आप करते हैं तो किसी परसेप्शन के साथ करते हैं और रेफरेंस के किसी रेफरेंस को लेकर के चलते हैं. वी टेक अ रेफरेंस पॉइंट फ्रॉम देयर वी कंसिडर एनीथिंग टू बी इन मोशन. फॉर एग्जांपल, यू मस्ट हैव ट्रैवल्ड बाय अ ट्रेन. व्हेन यू सिट इन अ ट्रेन एंड यू सी आउटसाइड बाय अ विंडो, व्हाट डू यू फाइंड? You find that things are going back, or you are either stationary or the train is moving in a straight direction. Okay, but the person sitting next to you, you find him stationary. But think about the person who is standing outside the train. Okay, he is watching you from a point, standing near a tree and watching you. Then what he will find? He will find train and you in motion, that you were moving. So ultimately, what I want to say that motion is relative. Whenever we talk about motion, it is relative. It is with respect to a reference point. Okay, everything is moving and motion is moving. Movement is life. This, when you will keep in your mind, things will become easier for you. Perception के हिसाब से बात हो सकती है कि for you something is stationary and for you something is in motion. Though that might not be in motion, though that might not be in stationary position. Okay, this much is basic for you. But what you need to understand about uniform and non-uniform motion. Before that, let me tell you what is speed. When we talk about speed, you must have seen in your bikes, in your scooties, in your cars, there is a needle is there which measures the speed. That speed, not 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, that speed is there, that is called as speedometer. Okay, so we measure the speed with the help of speedometer. Speedometer is there, and जो उसमें जितनी distance traveled हो जाती है तो number बढ़ जाता है. Now 65, 67 जो distance total आपने travel करी है जब से आप गाड़ी चला रहे हो, उसमें एक measuring unit होती है. That device is odometer. Okay, so our bicycles or our motor vehicles consist of odometer and speedometer. In speedometer we calculate we know the speed to which object or a bicycle, or not bicycle, wherever the speedometer is present, we come to know how much speed it is, with what speed it is moving. Odometer tells the distance traveled by that vehicle. Okay, now coming back to speed. I have told you speed is what? It is basically total distance traveled in unit time. एक फिक्स टाइम में हमने कितने डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल करी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हम यहाँ से चले एंड आई वेंट टू सिदौली एंड आफ्टर हाफ एन आवर आई हैव सीन दैट ओके आधे घंटे में मैं इतनी डिस्टेंस पे आ गया. सो व्हाट हाउ आई विल कैलकुलेट माई स्पीड? आई विल टेक द डिस्टेंस अपॉन द टाइम टेकन बाई मी and then I'll be able to find the speed. So speed is ultimately the distance traveled in unit time. Now coming to uniform and non-uniform motion. These are basic two types of motion. Uniform, uniformity से आप समझ सकते हैं. For example, you are wearing uniform in your schools. Why? That there should be no discrimination among the students. Okay, सारे बच्चे एक जैसे नहीं. ऐसा ना हो कि एक बच्चे के पास बहुत सारे multiple varieties of brands are there for wearing, और एक बच्चा बेचारा जिसके पास सिर्फ अच्छी पढ़ाई करने का ही एक फाइनेंशियल स्टेटस है. सो व्हाट विल हैपन? दैट पर्सन विल, वन ऑफ द बॉय विल और वन ऑफ द स्टूडेंट विल गेट सुपीरियरिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स एंड अदर विल गेट इंफीरियरिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स. सो टू बैलेंस देम वी यूज टू provide them with uniform, that they have to come to school in proper uniform so that there should be no discrimination. This was an example. So by keeping this in your mind, you will understand uniform means when a gaadi, when a car, when a bicycle, when a vehicle travels equal distance in equal interval of time. Time की यहाँ पे आप कोई भी यूनिट ले सकते हैं, सेकेंड, मिनट, आवर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम टेकिंग मिनट. If in 5 minutes I am traveling 5 kilometer distance, after next 5 minutes means total 10 minutes I have traveled 10 kilometer of distance. Take in seconds. If in 10 seconds I have traveled 10 meter, in 20 seconds I have traveled 20 meters. So the units are fixed now. In fixed interval of time I am traveling fixed amount of the distance, या fixed distance I am traveling in fixed interval of time. Such motion is said to be in uniform motion. Okay, uniform motion में जो ग्राफ बनेगा that will also be uniform. Uniform motion हो या non uniform motion, we make a graph that is called as distance time graph. Okay, in distance time graph we can calculate that whether the graph is uniform or non uniform. When it will be uniform? When a vehicle, when a object traveling the distance, or you can say the equal amount of distance is traveled in equal interval of time. For example, if I take this as time and this as distance, and after 5 minutes I have travelled 5 kilometers. After 10 minutes I have travelled 10 kilometers. What will happen? When we will join it, then the line will be straight. The graph will be a straight line. So एक condition और होती है. For uniform motion, the object must travel in a straight line. अगर वो कर्व में जाता है या किसी भी इस तरह के रूट में जाता है, then that motion will not be considered as uniform motion. For considering uniform motion, the object must travel in a straight line with a uniform speed. Means the distance covered in equal interval of time should be equal. It shouldn't be कि 5 मिनट में 5 किलोमीटर गए, अगले 10 मिनट में हम 3 ही किलोमीटर आगे बढ़ पाए, यानी 8 किलोमीटर. फिर next 5 minutes में we have traveled only 1 kilometer. This is not going to be called as uniform. Uniform means the equal distance traveled in equal interval of time. इसी का उल्टा कर देना है. Non-uniform में means the motion will not be in a straight line. Might be if in straight line, then the distance traveled in equal interval of time is not equal. So the graph will not be a straight line. So let us recapitulate about this. We have read about motion. Motion, anything that shows movement, we called it as motion. But for a standard definition, we can say objects change their position with respect to time or with respect to the reference point. For example, I was standing here. When I come here, you are finding me showing the motion. Why? Because you must have taken this as a reference point. From there, I have traveled from this to this distance. Now I have shown the motion. Everything in the world is showing a continuous motion. For example, the earth is revolving around the sun and it is also moving on its own axis. So earth पे जितनी भी चीजें हैं, अब तो कुछ कहने की बात ही नहीं रही. Though for a particular person who is sitting in front of me right now, just imagine, might be stationary, but as the earth is moving, definitely everything is moving in the world. Everything is moving. Everything is in the motion. Okay. Different satellites are there. They are also revolving around the moon and earth. So what I was trying to say that everything in the world shows certain amount of motion. For example, you see a plant. Though it is stationary, it do not move from one place to another, but its aerial parts due to wind they keep on moving. Or you can say they grow. So the basal part now increased to this height, that also shows some movement. Okay, so ultimately we say that everything in the world shows motion, but with respect to reference point या observer के perception से भी हम उसको consider करते हैं कि वो stationary है, rest पे है या motion में. For example, मैं यहाँ पे खड़ा हूँ, the fan is moving. Although I am not running fan, I am not using fan while I am teaching so as not to get interruption. But if the fan moves, what will happen? I will see that it is in motion. What kind of motion it is, not none of your business, but it is in motion. But the lamp kept around me, the board around me, it is not in motion, it is stationary with respect to my point, with my perception. Okay. So uniform motion when any of the object travels equal distance in equal interval of time, we call it as uniform motion. It occurs in a straight line, and the graph form, distance time graph form, is also a straight line. In non-uniform, it is not so. The movement might be in a straight line, but the distance traveled is not equal. Means the in equal interval of time, the distance traveled is not equal. Okay. And what else I have told you? Speed. Speed is basically the distance traveled in unit time. Okay, it is called speed. On that basis, we will do certain numericals. Okay, and for numerical, I will be uploading a new video in which you will be completing the chapter finally. Till then, stay safe, keep working hard, keep smiling.